Hello everyone, it is Chloe here. Welcome back to a new weekly vlog, back to my channel, all that jazz. How are we? Haven't posted, but that's okay. I am doing a weekly vlog this week, even though it's literally halfway through the week. Today's Thursday. So more or less it's a weekend vlog because Friday, Saturday, Sunday, kind of Monday is busy. I just got off work. I look like a fucking mess. Tomorrow we're going shopping like we usually do. And I'm actually getting a haircut tomorrow. Also ignore this because I cut my face via scratching it. But I'm getting a haircut tomorrow. Now, if you guys remember when I got my hair done blonde, we got layers in this beach. This is obviously what it looks like just natural as it is. This is just my natural hair. But she styled it like this, kind of. So she layered it, like cut it for me to style it like that religiously. And with work and stuff, it's just a hassle to style. So what I'm going to do is get the smallest length, which I think is this one, and basically just cut it all that same length. So I'm basically gonna have a blonde bob, but that's tomorrow. We're going shopping, we're gonna find some books, etc, etc. And then Saturday I am working. I'm working 9 till closing, which is 3, no it's 2, and then I'm going to go to the train station, and then I'm going to go to Molly's, which is my best friend, and then I'm staying over, and then on Sunday me, Molly and Annalisa. How about that? You guys haven't heard that name in a while. Annalise is my best friend from New South Wales. She's coming down for her mum's birthday party, so we're meeting up with her, and I'm so excited. My two besties in the same room together. It's gonna be fucking fabulous. Anyway, we're going to like a little diner, I guess, kind of, and it's kind of like the honky tonk vibe, like it's literally labeled that. So I have to pick an outfit according to that, clearly. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna have fun, have a lovely time together, and then I'm gonna be coming home on the Monday, so we'll film some of that as well. But that's what's happening. So it's like a weekend vlog, but I'm gonna try and vlog as much as I can because obviously I'm starting this so late. Right now I need to find an outfit, but I'm gonna find an outfit and then I'm probably gonna pack a little bit. I hate this angle, but it's the only one you're gonna get. But I had a plan in mind of what to wear because it's like country kind of. I'm wearing my cowboy boots because obviously, but I wanted to wear this like vest, but it's an extra large and it doesn't close, which is okay, but it doesn't fit the vibe I was going for, so I can't wear this with the outfit I'm planning. So I have my denim skirt from Princess Polly. I have this boob tube, denim boob tube, but it's clearly different colors denim. Like I have an idea in mind, but I genuinely hate dressing for winter, but then again I could say the same thing in summer. But I have more summery clothes now, so I can't really judge. Oh, if that was like a different color, that would be the sickest outfit ever. If this was the same color, again, this is not a winter outfit. Like, why am I stressing? I don't know. I just want it to be a good night. If I'm wearing this skirt for certain, I have to wear a white top. So let's just like run through it. Okay, this is option 2. Hello. Can people just talk like normal people and not have an automated message? Thank you. Anyway. This is a cute little outfit. I think this might be actually the way to go. This is quite cute actually, but I always wear this top. This and this are Princess Polly. I have my cowboy boots. Now I might wear tights with it, I don't know, but I think this is a cute outfit. Well, this is the outfit for Sunday with the night out with the girls. I'm just going to pack like my makeup and stuff together. So I might do a time lapse of that and just watch the Sidemen videos because that's my new hyperfixation. The way I was with the basement yard, religiously watching their videos from the start to finish, is how I am with the Sidemen right now, and they've been doing it for 10 years, so I have so much to catch up on. I don't think I'm gonna watch every single video, but I'm hyper obsessed now. Okay, and I literally, not even kidding, ordered the most expensive merch item they have on their website. That's how hyper fixated I am on them right now. Good news is I ordered it on Monday and it's already in Melbourne. Like, what? Anyway, but this is a cute little outfit. Let's pack. Hello. What is that? I got my hair cut. Look how cute I am. But it's all the same length now, so I'm very, very happy. I'm gonna do a little haul because I got books, which you guys saw, and I got 2 pieces of kind of clothing. Not really that exciting, but still. I also did get some photo albums and photos printed off of my cousin's weddings. I'm gonna put them in photo albums, which I guess I will show you. Let's do some books first, because you've already technically seen them. These are new releases that obviously released in the past 2 weeks since I haven't been there. This is the second book of whatever set this is. I know it's a trilogy though. This is The Ashes and the Star-Cursed King. I have the first one, which is The Serpent and the Wings of Night. I think that's how you say it. This is number 2. I haven't read the first one if I said that already. Next up is The Housemaid is Watching, which is book 3. I actually ended up getting book 2 as well. I do know that my bestie Annalisa did buy this for me. It's currently in another state, so I need to read this before I read this. So I bought it anyway. Okay, sorry Annalisa. I read the first one, haven't read the second one, and obviously now have the third one. So this was a new release, this wasn't. And then also I have my highly anticipated Not in Love by Ali Hazelwood. I actually like the shimmer of this cover. Usually they're all matte, but then I went to Kmart to pick up the photos. I needed new leggings that had a phone holder when I go walk Nelly, because I don't wear jackets or anything because I get really hot. So these are just some plain leggings that have a pocket in the side. In this like teal blue, because all the black was sold out. So I got these. These are a size 18 and I'm scared that they're going to be too big. I got this on sale. I want to try it on, absolutely. This is apparently a maxi dress, blue tie-dye. I got a size 18 because again it is stretchy. I was going to get a 20 but I didn't want to. This is originally $25. I got it for 8. This is the top. You have like knotted thingies, which I think is fucking sick, and then it goes all the way down in this tie-dye print. The hips kind of have some cinching, and then it has a cut off here which you can't see, kind of, and then it goes into this sheer fabric here with a slit. So this is cute. For $8 I was like, hell yeah. So I'm gonna try that on. I don't know how I feel about the pattern. I actually love this, ignoring the bra strap, but I love this detail. Again, don't really know how I feel about the lines. Maybe that's why it was on sale, I don't know. These are my photos. I ordered 479 of them. Thanks Kmart. Anyway, a shit ton of these are Ashley and Brody's wedding, so they'll be going in one of these. I basically put all our photos in albums now instead of a plastic container. And then I've already made these ones. Like this is my baby photos, but I've printed some more up, so I'm making this into a bigger one. And then this one's gonna be Dad's baby photos, so this one's gonna be my photos. It's just a whole whirlwind, okay? I'm gonna do the wedding photos first because there's so many of them. Look at them! And this one has me in it. There I am. This is me, Ashley and Corey as kids. How fun. So these are all the extra like baby photos I have. Like as kids, Ashley had a camera and we just took a bunch of photos. That's me. So I finally printed them out because I don't have like a lot of baby photos. So they're going in the other album, but let's get these photos for the wedding out. There are so many. I'm scared I'm not gonna have a big enough album. So like these are all my photo booth ones of me and my family. So like this is me and my dad. So I didn't obviously print up all the photo booth ones. I just printed up the ones that me and my family were in. I'm gonna try and put these in some order. There's gonna be a shit ton, but look, this is my little pile of photos, wedding photos. I think I have more than 307, whatever the number was, but look how cute the little couple is. Oh my god, this was the wedding I fell down, embarrassed myself in front of everyone. Can I focus on me please? But I'm gonna change my battery and then I'm gonna start these, because I fear if I don't get it done, I'm not going to get it done anyway. Let's go. So I've just put them all in some sort of order, from like getting ready, ceremony, reception, all that. And this is what we've got. So we'll see if it all fits in this. Will it? Probably not, but let's try. not having it today. It stinks here.
It's McLovin.
McLovin! That's me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Your phone's gonna talk.
Chef. When I forget your cheese. I look like an egg. Don't we all look like eggs? You can babysit Molly for 2 seconds. I'll just take your socks off, but then your feet will stink, so I'm not doing that. Sounds good, I promise. Hi! I haven't spoken in the vlog at all. Well, this day anyway. We're gonna pick up Annalisa now, but we're ready. Look how cute. That's all. Oh god, I see a human. Hi baby! No crying please, it's a happy day. How are you, sweetheart? Try to drown her out. Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Don't tell your friends, bitches. You too. Yeah, fuck. I said we. Oh, I think you said me. I feel like a tourist. I are a tourist.
Join, you have to insert 2 coins. Get him, Chloe! I've so far filmed almost 3 minutes of Street Fighter. I did it! Oh, go for it! Oh! Fuck yeah! Pop off, sis! Let's go! It's freestyle! Oh no! Yeah, that's what you get. I want to thank all my loved ones. You know, I want to get. Let me do this. Let me do this. You got him! You got him! You got him! How is it not dead? Yeah! You got him! Come on! You're so good! Yeah! How many we got? 10 cartoon. Wait, I'm not that one. I'm this one. Final thoughts? Shadowkin! Any thoughts? No. That's it? Absolutely. Uptown girl. He was arrested for way too beautiful girl over. Anyway, he back was in 99. Who's not gonna watch this? Drake? No. Sean Kingston. No way do you. I was gonna have a train of thought, but it's gone. That's scary. Why is it taking so long? This Macca's always takes this long. I don't fucking know, Chloe, right? Did your boot stop working? Did your truck break down? Just wish I knew what cause it was a whiskey flowing in a fight. What's your alibi? Use. Oh, never mind. I'm not bringing that up again. It's hammer time. Thank you so much. Thanks, Dal. Have a good night. Thank you so much. Thank you. I see dead people. Period. What you want it to mean? No. Why do you need charge? Oh. You can also get Uber Deliver, which means they go to your house, pick something up for you and drop it off somewhere. Can I do that for her? Just I don't wanna know. It's just gonna be 83 cuts of Annalisa going, I don't wanna know. I saw, dude. She broke her boots, everybody. Yeah, look. I don't wanna know. Good morning. It's windy and cold. My eyes are watering.
camera died last night, so you've been putting up with iPhone quality, so sorry about that. However, I'm now home from the footage and clearly by the background. I will talk more after work tomorrow. I have a shift tomorrow, but right now I just want to relax. But I also have a parcel. Now, this bad boy is my Sidemen jacket, and I'm so excited. So we're just gonna open it. Oh, it's a bag in a bag. Oh my god, I've got an air freshener. I don't own a car, but I gotta have that. This is iconic already. I don't want to ruin this bag. This bag is sick. How do I open it without ruining it? Oh, it's a zip up one. That's fucking sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, their tissue paper has Sidemen on it. Dude, this is insane. Nah, boy. Wait, is the whole thing checkers inside? I need to show you the details because it's going to be insane. I will try it on, obviously. But right at the back, we have the Sidemen kind of logo. This is in collaboration with Hot Wheels, if that wasn't obvious. So on the right arm, we have Sidemen Racing Team. Down the bottom, can't read. On the left arm, we have some flames. These are all embroidered, by the way. And then here we have the Hot Wheels logo. Is this the Hot Wheels logo? I think so. I know the writing is, I don't know about behind it. The front of it is the sickest thing I've seen in my entire life. So we have the Sidemen Racing logo. We have another Sidemen logo. And then in the middle has Sidemen Hot Wheels. Look at this. It's like ombre. Dude! I'm not going to take the tag off, just hypothetically if it doesn't fit properly. This is a 2X, so we'll see. There's a pocket inside too. Oh, this is the best thing I bought. This is the best thing I have ever purchased. I'm going to be living in this. Dude, this is absolutely iconic. I love this already so much. Love that for me. Anyway, I'm gonna go relax and unpack my bag and all that stuff. I do have a full shift tomorrow. I do 7 till closing. I don't usually work tomorrow, but I'm just doing another shift for my manager basically because she has to do something. I'm gonna not vlog tomorrow until probably after, and then I'll finish off the vlog tomorrow I think because I don't have anything else planned. But I'll talk more about everything that happened this kind of weekend tomorrow. I just wanted to unbox this because this is absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad I spent money on this, which sounds insane, but here we are.